Hi everyone, welcome to this week's vlog. If you're new here, my name is Leanne. And if you've been watching my videos, you'll know that my husband recently arrived in Belfast. He's now residing here and living with me. As you know, we've been dating long distance. So now we are living together as husband and wife in the same country, which is amazing. Still feels a bit weird. Not weird in a bad way, but like in a good way, in terms of not really believing that he's not going anywhere. Like he's actually here with me. But anyway, this week we went around town. I wanted to show my husband, a few places in the city center. So you'll be seeing us dining out, meeting family, having fun. It's been really hot, really nice weather. So we've really made full use of that. So hopefully you'll enjoy, seeing us enjoy ourselves. And of course, a lot of firsts for him, taking his first bus journeys, train journey, just getting around has been something a lot different for him because, in Cape Town, we usually get around driving ourselves, but here we spend most of our time using public transport. But yeah, it's quite fun, it's nice. So new adventures for him. But at the same time, you know what? I'm loving it as well because I don't really get to go out. So now I have no excuse. I've been out quite a bit this week, and hopefully we'll be doing that a lot more as well. If you're wondering, I am wearing makeup and I was all dressed up today. I went to a friend's kitchen party, so hence the makeup. Yeah, I tried to, well, I tried. I think I did well. I don't know. What do you think? But anyway, that's story for another day. But yeah, so just thought I might as well open this week's vlog. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. And as usual, please don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoy the videos, like, of course, and leave a comment. Yeah, let's interact, ask questions. It's always interesting to see what people feel and think. Always nice to kind of get feedback. So I hope you guys enjoy this week's video. Take care.
Oh yeah, hello.
Come on, come on.
Let me give that 360 view.
360 of me.
No. Oh yes.
Taking my first walk with hubby. Look at this beautiful walkway. Let me do a 360. And I think it runs for about 7 kilometers. But obviously we're not going that far. Yeah, so it looks very cloudy, but it's actually quite warm. And there's husband. After the lovely walk we took down the green walkway, Bulelani and I decided to go out for like a nice light dinner, just to kind of see the vibe in the city center. So we went to a place called Bootleggers. It's actually quite a very popular spot for food and drinks. They have a casual food menu. They're very popular for their burgers, tacos, and wings.
As you can see, Bulelani opted for the burger. I like the wings, so we ordered that. And then we also had like some dirty fries. It's basically fries with chicken, hot sauce, and some garlic mayo, I think it was. It was very nice. We basically shared our meals. Of course, I didn't eat all of that. It was really, really nice. We then also walked to a place called the National. Also a very, very popular spot. It's quite vibey, as you can see. That was during the week. I think that was, but even though it was a weekday, you can see there were quite a lot of people at the place. They usually have like live bands playing. And as you can see in the video that there was a live band at the time we were there. Overall, we had a very good time. Bulelani also enjoyed himself. A lot different from what we know. Because at home there's always like a DJ and there's piano playing, but of course the side is a bit different. But we still had fun. So yeah, just thought to show you guys what the vibe is like in Belfast, Northern Ireland. We are walking to the train station. We took a bus from where we live to the train station, which is in the city center as well. We were meeting my mom's sister, niece and nephew to go to the beach. Now they drove there. We decided to take a train because this was Bulelani's first train journey. I just wanted him to experience, different modes of transport in Belfast, kind of also so that he can see how to get around if I'm maybe not with him. Just also for him to familiarize himself with the place. And why not the train? It's actually quite comfortable. It's a very safe way to get around as well. And also beautiful scenic views on our way to the beach. Overall it was a nice experience. But at some point, I'll get Bulelani to talk about his experiences getting around in Belfast, Northern Ireland, and also like him seeing the places around. So, yeah, it was very good to take our first train journey together. the kids. We're gonna spend the day with them. It is very hot, probably the hottest day in Belfast today. Maybe like 26 or 28, between 26 and 28 degrees. Now it might not sound a lot to you, but here that is like a heat wave. So we are just enjoying the heat wave and going to the beach. There's nothing tomorrow, it's gonna rain. So we definitely are enjoying while it lasts. But yeah, that's it for now, y'all. We're just walking to the beach now, just got off the train. As you can see, lots of other people also going to the beach. Yeah, it's like a I don't know, it's like a big deal because the sun is out like this much. So yeah, forgive us if you see people going crazy or whatever. Yeah, it's a first for Belfast. Well, not the first, but you know, it doesn't really happen often. So this part of Northern Ireland, this place is called Helens Bay, and we're going to Helens Bay Beach. And Ify loves playing with the sand and water. Ify, are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah. I'm making some wet sand, and then I'm going to mix it, and then I'm going to put it in the sand, and then I'm going to dry it up.
Oh, are you building a castle?
Not really. I'm just playing with it.
Oh, okay. You're gonna show me the end result, yeah?
Yeah. So you put sand in the water,
Mm-hmm.
and you just do 10 scoops.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's a lot of sand, Ify.
Yeah, 5, 6,
Okay.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, no.
I just mix it.
Okay.
So you mix it, and then you just pour it out.
Oh my goodness, okay. Oh, and then you have like a muddy puddle. Not a puddle.
And
What do you call that mix, Ify?
and then you just take out the mud sand.
Oh, okay.
And then you just mix it all up. And
Wow.
then you just mix it for 10 minutes.
For 10 minutes, that's a lot.
I mean 5 minutes.
Okay, okay. No, that's fine. I'll let you mix it and then I'll get back to you, okay?
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Pulilani with his mother-in-law. The two besties. The Prime Master.
Prime Master.
what are you buying, baby?
I'm buying some chops.
Yay.
Pork chops. This is a hot tender.
Right, having our lunch. So as you can see, what is that? Noodle salad, chicken noodle salad, some coleslaw, tomato, pesto, and feta. We have beef burgers, some boerewors, beef sausage, and chops. And yep, everybody's happy. Everybody, they have their meals. And we're about to tuck in.
I can't swim here. See.
It's Sunday morning and Abby and I are going to church. It's his first Sunday in Belfast and his first church service. Yeah, so I hope he enjoys it and that he'll meet lots of people. Everybody at church is usually very friendly. So yeah, the Duca family's first church service. Yay! aka Bulelani. Bulelani enjoying his first church lunch. Well, it's not that we have church lunch often, but today I'm one of the senior members who are leaving the church to travel to America. So they treated everybody with some nice hot dogs and some fries. And we're all in the church hall. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. We have come to the end of this week's vlog. Thank you very much for the support, for your comments, for showing me so much love. But yeah, unfortunately, we the video needs to come to an end at some point. But we will be back here again next week on a Sunday. I will make sure that I keep it consistent, Why not? I'm loving making these videos and obviously loving seeing you guys enjoying the videos. And of course, if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribed, hit that notification bell, like if you have enjoyed the video. And of course, you know me, I love reading the comments, I love replying to the comments. Thank you so much for watching again and for the support. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. Take care.